Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a chart in Excel, including bar, line or pie, etc. Firstly, open your Excel spreadsheet and highlight the range A1, D1, D7 or the range you want to chart. Make sure your first row has headers as Excel will use them for labeling. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon and in the Charts group, click on the chart line icon. From the drop-down menu, select Line with Markers. You will now see a basic line chart created with your selected data. Just click directly on the chart title text box and enter a custom title such as Wildlife Population or any title that matches your data. If you want to change your chart type, click anywhere on the chart to activate it. Go to the Chart Design tab and in the Type group, click Change Chart Type. From the sidebar, click Column to select a column chart style, then click OK to apply the changes. Your chart will now be converted from a line chart to a column chart. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.